Hi everyone. Welcome back to English with Tammy. Today, we're talking about a popular topic, online dating. Joining me today is my friend, Mark. Hi, Mark.
Hi, Tammy. Hi, everyone.
So, Mark, have you tried online dating before?
Yes, I have. It's quite common these days, isn't it?
Absolutely. Online dating has become a great way for people to meet each other. What do you think are some good tips for creating an online dating profile?
Well, first, I think it's important to be honest. Your profile should show who you really are. Use recent photos and write a little bit about yourself.
That's great advice. Being honest helps find someone who likes you for who you are. What about choosing a profile picture? Any tips?
Yes, definitely. Use a clear, happy photo. It's best if you're doing something you enjoy, like a hobby. Avoid using group photos because it can be confusing to know who you are.
I agree. A picture of you doing something you love can be a great conversation starter too. Speaking of conversations, what do you think is a good way to start chatting with someone online?
Start with something friendly and light. You can ask about something in their profile, like their favorite book or a hobby. It's better than just saying hi.
That's true. Asking questions shows you're interested in getting to know them. What should people avoid doing when chatting online?
Avoid talking about negative things or being too personal too quickly. And never share sensitive information like your address or financial details.
Safety first, always. How about meeting in person? What are your thoughts on that?
I think it's important to meet in a public place, like a coffee shop or a park. Tell a friend or family member where you're going and who you're meeting.
Yes, meeting in a public place helps ensure safety. And it's always good to have someone know where you are. What about after the first meeting? Any advice on how to keep things going?
If you had a good time, don't be afraid to say so. You can suggest another meeting, but also don't rush things. It's okay to take your time.
Absolutely. Building a relationship takes time. Patience is key. Any final tips for our listeners who are thinking about trying online dating?
Just be yourself and have fun. Online dating is a great way to meet new people, but don't put too much pressure on yourself. Enjoy the experience.
Great advice, Mark. Thanks for joining me today.
Thanks for having me, Tammy. It was fun.
And thank you, listeners, for tuning in to English with Tammy. Remember, online dating is about connecting and having fun. Stay safe and happy dating. See you next time.
Bye.